This video, I'm going to show you how to use the AND function in Microsoft Excel. The function is a pre-made function in Excel, which returns true or false based on two or more conditions. It is type equals and and it takes two or more conditions. No, the AND function is often used together with the if function. Equals and open parentheses, logical 1, comma, logical 2, close parentheses. So remember this. So you must follow what is being demonstrated here on the screen. So you type the names, the sex, and the age. Then you type the, the formula. Okay, do not forget the symbol to be used if a number is greater than another number. If a number is smaller than another number, so you look at the symbol written on the screen. If a number or text is equal to something, of course, you're going to type the equal sign. If you can see, males which are 15 years old above are marked true, and the rest, which did not meet the criteria, are marked false. Okay, let's proceed with and function with if. Equals if, open parentheses, and then you click the cell where the male belongs. So that is B3, cell B3, then equal female. Oh no. So there is two double quote. which is very necessary. So this two double quote, combining the function with an if function, lets you check multiple conditions for the if function. So if you're going to analyze the syntax or the conditions, so it means that if cell B3 is equal to female and cell C3 is or equal to 15 or the age is 15, so the result will be yes. But if not, the result is no.